Hi friends, in this video, we will see how to configure call tapping in Eternity Any. Using call tapping, telephonic conversation can be recorded for internal and external calls. Eternity Any supports two simultaneous call tappings. Basic requirements: VMS channel license, FTP server access allowed in security setting. Let us go through the configuration now. We will complete the configuration in 4 steps. First, select destination mailbox to store call tapping files. Second, assign mailbox to the recording extension. Third, activate call tapping feature on extension and trunk. Fourth, listening tapped calls. Let us start with the first step of selecting destination mailbox to store call tapping files. Log into the GUI as System Engineer. Go to VMS configuration followed by VMS general parameters to select the destination mailbox to record the calls. There are two options available: common mailbox. Calls of all extensions are stored in common mailbox. Personal mailbox. Calls of all the extensions are stored in their respective mailboxes. We will select common mailbox in our case. We will select the mailbox of extension 21 for recording the calls. Calls of all the extension on which call tapping is enabled will be stored in the mailbox of 21. This completes the first step. Let us move on to the second step of assigning mailbox to the recording extension. We will select SLT in this case. Go to SLT extensions, select the extension number to which you want to assign mailbox, that is 21 in this case. Go to voice mail settings. Check personal mailbox flag to assign the mailbox. Assign mailbox size in minutes as per your requirement and size of the USB drive inserted in the system. Eternity Any supports maximum mailbox size of 60,000 minutes. Eternity Any supports USB storage capacity up to 32 GB and call recording storage is 18 call hours per GB. Also assign the maximum message length in seconds. Maximum message length is 3600 seconds. Note down the mailbox number as it will be used in 4th step to access tapped calls from FTP. Note: for recording calls in personal mailbox, we need to assign mailbox to all the extension on which call tapping is activated. This completes the second step. Let us move on to the third step of activating call tapping feature on extensions and trunk. We will activate call tapping on extensions 21 and 22. The calls will be recorded to the mailbox of 21 as configured earlier. Go to SLT extension 21 followed by call tapping. Go to call tapping and select apply as per call tapping profile 2. Similarly, configure the same in SLT extension 22. Now go to Advanced Settings followed by Call Tapping. Go to Profile 2 as configured in the extension 21 and 22. Enable Tap Internal Calls and Tap Internal Calls received without CLI. Add 0 to 9 and plus to record the calls to or from any number starting from the configured digits. All the calls made to or from 21 or 22 will be recorded and will be saved in mailbox of 21. Now we will enable call tapping on the trunk. We will select CO trunk in this case. Go to the CO trunk followed by call tapping and check flag for call tapping. Note, to enable or disable the beep during call tapping, check play beep when read or call tapping or conversation recording starts, flag if required under system parameter followed by general parameters. If disabled, then there will be no beep sound when call tapping starts. By default, it's enabled in system parameter. This completes the third step. Let us move on to the fourth step to access tipped calls. Log into the FTP of Eternity Any. Go to VMS card followed by System Data folder. Go to Mailbox folder. Go to respective mailbox number allocated to the extension in second step. Taped file will be stored here. We can download the file from FTP and can play in the audio player. The recorded file can also be listened by accessing the personal mailbox of 21 from the extension. This completes the entire configuration. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.